Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper of Tuesday, yes, it's still Tuesday, May the 14th, 2024. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number 8, 5, 3, 1. Yeah. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Four of them I will solve in the evening. But now let me continue with this regular puzzle. News of today, well, the invasion of Israeli tanks in Rafah. Yes, the ground offensive is already started. Well, I heard the red line is crossed. So the U.S. What's the next step of the U.S.? Well, because the money is still going to Israel for the bombs, for the military. So the red line is across, but what does this mean? The red line is across. So we need some action. Yeah, actions. Well, in the university in the Netherlands, there's a lot of protests by the students. Yes, I think in whole world. Anyway, let me continue with this puzzle. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. So I think it's a 1 star. Maybe 2 stars. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. But it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Don't think so. 20 to 30 minutes. I think rather it's a 1 star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always 1. Here, 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 and there are single box, and also here. Always 1. Here, single box. Here, single box. And this is also a single box, always 1. Here, also a 1. And this one is also a 1. Oh, here, another one. That's a lot. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about the triple boxes? I see here a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1, so the only place left for the 1 should be here. So the 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 3 goes there. More triple boxes. Here, another 1. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1, and this triple box should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, we have a quadra box here. These 2 boxes. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big. Quadra box should be there. This box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay, and the other numbers could be everywhere. All right. Next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. How about this S construction? Let me draw this here, the S construction. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z construction. It's the same shape, yeah. So my first strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. The first one, this one, the S construction. What you need to know is when you see the S construction or the Z construction, This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. We have only one S construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more? No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have an L shape here. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Another same shape but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to... Oh, no. We all overlook this shape. This kind of shape. Yeah, overlooked. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, now we have all the shapes. Well, not true. Because in this puzzle we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or construction that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this L-shaped area are the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be in a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, so 1 and a 3 is also connected with this box, so 1 and a 3 is also connected with that box, so 1 or a 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3, so... the 3 could be here, could be there then, okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1, supposed to be here. 1 over 3, we have a 1 here, so this box should be a 3, is connected with that box, so 3, is also connected with that box, so 3, and is also connected with this box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Oh, no. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. Then 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be in the 2 goes there. This box can be 1. This box can be 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 2. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here, 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for us, 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 5. 1 and the 5. We have 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes at there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. Alright. Go up. I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can be 2, should be a 3. Can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then, let me see, 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there, 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Oh, 4 and a 5. Well, it cannot be a 4 or a 5 because this quarter box has no 5. Yeah, only 1, 2, 3, and a 4. So 4 and a 3 are left. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 4 goes there. Overlooked. But we solve it again in 12 minutes. So, faster than 50 minutes, 1 star, but it also should be a 0 stars because I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other no, not in a minute, in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the additional. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.